Here's the deal. I have one big camera, just one. Actually, I'm filming on the big camera right now. This is my old, don't get me wrong, I would love multiple cameras for like overheads and different angles, but I can't justify it because it basically just means I'm too lazy to switch it to another angle. And something like this will fix all of that. Yes! So I went onto Ulanzi's website and I saw this quick release system and I was like, that might just be what I've been looking for my whole life. Maybe not my whole life, but you know what I'm saying. I do have to say, their packaging is awesome. And their products are all metal. They feel very solid, very sturdy. So this one right here is like a clamp for a backpack strap, which we'll get into in a little bit. And this other mechanism will connect to any straps. And they sent me a few mounting plates and an extra camera clip. So let's dive into what exactly this will do. You get a bunch of these mounting plates, you put them on your overhead rig, you put them on your tripod, you put them on your dolly, you put them on really anything. So then you can easily just pop it off one thing and then pop it on the next thing. So easy. So I first invested in a few of these Joby ball heads, and if I was to buy it again, I would get the Ulanzi ball head because it's the same price as the Joby, but you also get a cold shoe mount and a lot better ways to lock it in place. I didn't know about the Ulanzi stuff before I bought the Joby stuff, so I'm sorry. So they do come with your standard 1/4" screw thread, but you can also remove that screw thread. And then it works with the 3/8 screw thread. So on the mount, you can see you can pull it out and you can turn it, and now it's locked. So if you accidentally press it, it won't release the system. And this system also works really great if you want to have a phone mount or even for your GoPro. However, Ulanzi does have a little magnetic quick release thing for the GoPro already, and I would definitely recommend that because that thing is awesome. But it still works really good if you want to be able to have that on the bottom of it and be able to put it on your different mounts on your tripod or wherever. It's just so quick. You have no idea how many times I've had to untwist things and put different mounts on. This is the way to do it. It's the way to do it. This is gonna make life so much easier. But then they also sent me this system right here, which is this camera strap system. So like instead of having your camera strap on like that and it gets really annoying, you can actually have the strap attached here. One of the benefits of having the strap one would be like if you're traveling around and you know there's people that would come and steal your camera, you can have it, they try to steal it from you. Nope. They're not gonna get it. And then they sent me this system right here. This is a backpack strap clamp. It's pretty easy to attach and it attaches really, really tightly. I actually find a lot of value in this backpack strap. If you're a photographer and you're out and about with your backpack and all your gear in there, it's just so much easier to have this ready to go when you want to. Boom, get your shot. Okay, cool. Hey, talking like a blog, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's walk around a little bit. All right, boom. Probably takes a little bit of, that's easy. All right, thanks so much for watching, and thank you, Ulanzi, for sending me these. It's awesome. I love that they're investing in creators like me to review their products. I mean, that's the dream of having a YouTube channel, right? Yeah. I mean, it's my dream. And a big thanks goes to you guys watching, because the fact that you're watching means that they'll send me more stuff. And guess what? I'll have some giveaways very soon. Remember, all links are down in the description, plus a surprise link. If you want to get a deeper dive into YouTube and just, a podcast form of stuff, watch the podcast right here. Boom. And then also, music channel right here. And guess what? This video, you want to watch this video next. It's good. Hope to see you guys in the next one.